I'm Jason, CEO of Anhui Chaoyan Construction Machinery Company. Now I will show you my company. Here is our work area. We have about 13 staff working for our company. Follow me. And this room is our engineer working room. Oh, it's not here because it's very busy. And this room is my office. Maybe I will working about 8 hours every day in this room. I'm so busy too. And there is our meeting room. I always talk with customers in this room. About 500 every year. Follow me. We have another room for our office because our company has a lot of staff. Here is our another office. This big room is our meeting room. We need to talk in this room how to do the best for you. And in our office, we also have some parts area show for you. The customer come to my office, and our warehouse is very long, so we can check about some here. Some staff also working in this room. And this all I want to tell you. My company is sure, it's real. And I'm very happy you can come here. Remember my face. If you want good price, maybe you need to talk with me in this meeting room. Thank you. And come on with me. Let's go to our warehouse. This is our warehouse, and you can see this is our company name. And we also have a hammer for every machine. By the way, and another some parts can use for every machine. Follow me. You can check. Every machine have my company name and logo in the machine. Maybe in China or in Shanghai, Hefei, more than 500 companies still use the machine. But you can ask them, do you have your own warehouse? Do you have your own machine? If you don't have, how to keep the good quality for you? Follow me. This is our excavator, and this is boulder and loader. Oh, this machine, why this? Because it will come to port. Why we do this? Like this, we will keep the cheap shipping costs. We will do our best for you. This is the most of machine is Caterpillar, because Caterpillar is the popular #1 in the world. And this is all our machine. Welcome to our company and check every machine anytime. Thank you.